ADOM at its core is education. The bonus of that is the peer-to-peer camaraderie and enthusiasm and friendship that you gain.
The energy of ADOM is like no other. The amount of learning is like no other. And I've spoken at some of the biggest meetings, some of the smallest meetings around the country, and ADOM members come eager.
They master the craft here at ADOM. ADOM presents an environment for the ADOM tribes to be able to not only learn better information about how to do their job, but to realize that it takes a village to run a dental practice, and ADOM is the village.
For most people, they would do better if they knew better. So when you properly educate and when you properly help your team with the right tools, the right education, the right verbal skills, you'll get better action and better results from your entire team. It's all about education.
And then we have our DADOMs who are now becoming speakers and the next generation of dental management.
If your team isn't growing, your practice can't grow. So education is the foundation for practice growth.
At the end of the day, we're only going to be better office managers if we're educated, and we can then help our practices and our patients so much more. So for me, education is foundational.